Please select your language. Most important tips for learning English. Welcome to Hello English. Please choose your English level. Tap here to open the menu and explore features. Tap here to learn the next word. Tap here after learning the word. Tap here to view the previous word. Tap to listen to pronunciation. Learn all words daily and keep your streak alive to earn badges. After learning all words, take the test here. English Dictionary. Awesome, let's start learning. Please complete today's words. Apple, meaning, a round fruit with red or green skin. Example, I eat an apple every morning. Congratulations, you've learned apple. Ball, meaning, a round object used in games. Example, the children played with a ball. Congratulations, you've learned ball. Congratulations, you've learned cat. Dog, meaning, a domesticated animal that barks. Congratulations, you've learned dog. Egg, meaning, an oval object laid by birds. Congratulations, you've learned egg. Great job, you've learned all today's words. Now take the test. What is the meaning of apple? A domesticated animal that barks. Correct. Fill in the blank. Blank means a round object. Correct. What is the meaning of cat? A small. Correct. Fill in the blank. Blank means a domesticated animal. Correct. Fill in the blank. Blank means an oval. Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning, an oval object laid by birds. Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning, a round object used in games. Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning, a domesticated animal that barks. Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning, a round fruit with red or green skin. Correct. Spell the word correctly for the meaning, a small domesticated animal that purrs. Correct. Welcome to the dictionary section. Tap any word to hear its meaning and example.
बहुत बढ़िया, आपने आज सभी शब्द सीख लिए। शब्दकोश अनुभाग में आपका स्वागत है। किसी भी शब्द पर टैप करें और उसका अर्थ व उदाहरण सुनें।
Ball, meaning, a round object used in games. Example, the children played with a ball.
गेंद, बच्चों ने गेंद से खेला। बातचीत के अभ्यास में आपका स्वागत है। आज की स्थिति है।
Medical consultation. Doctor. Hello, what brings you in today? Patient. I have been having a persistent headache for the last 3 days. Doctor. Do you have any other symptoms like fever or nausea? Patient. No, just the headache. Doctor. Okay, I will prescribe some medication. Make sure to rest and stay hydrated. Patient. Thank you, doctor. I will follow your instructions. Situation. Medical consultation. Question. Doctor, do you have any other symptoms like fever or nausea? Option 1.
हैंडराइटिंग अभ्यास में स्वागत है।
Welcome to handwriting practice. Let's improve your writing skills.
हैंडराइटिंग अभ्यास।
Welcome to handwriting target mode. Try to match the text as closely as possible.
हैंडराइटिंग अभ्यास में स्वागत है।
Welcome to practice mode. Write anything and test your handwriting.
वाक्यों की लंबाई चुनें। उच्चारण सुनने के लिए यहाँ टैप करें। उच्चारण का अभ्यास करने के लिए टैप करें और बोलें। 100% स्कोर होने पर आगे बढ़ें। बहुत बढ़िया। अब वाक्यांश बोलकर देखिए। माइक्रोफोन बटन पर टैप करें।
Welcome to speaking practice. Now your phrase is, good morning.
सुप्रभात।
Perfect. You said it exactly right. Now your next phrase is, perfect. You said it exactly right. Now your next phrase is, good night.
शुभ रात्रि।
Perfect. You said it exactly right. Now your next phrase is, how are you?
आप कैसे हैं?
Perfect. You said it exactly right. Now your next phrase is, I am fine, thank you.
मैं
Perfect. You said it exactly right. Now your next phrase is, what is your name?
आपका नाम क्या है? व्याकरण अभ्यास में स्वागत है। कृपया स्तर चुनें।
You can also
कृपया किसी पाठ का चयन करें।
nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. They can be concrete things you can see or touch, e.g., dog, city, book, or abstract ideas or feelings you cannot touch, e.g., happiness, love, truth. Nouns can also be proper, specific names like India, John, or common, general names like country, boy. The dog is barking. I bought a book yesterday. India is a big country. Happiness is important for health. She is my friend. The city is crowded. My father is a teacher. Love is a powerful emotion. The car is red. Freedom is a basic right. Quiz 4. Nouns. The blank is barking. Options are. Option 1. Correct answer. Quiz 4. Nouns. Love. Correct answer. Quiz 4. Nouns. Correct answer. Quiz 4. Correct answer. Quiz 4. Nouns. Correct answer. Quiz 4. Nouns. Correct answer. Quiz 4. Nouns. She is. Correct answer. Quiz 4. Nouns. Freedom is a. Correct answer. Quiz 4. Nouns. Correct answer. Quiz 4. Nouns. The blank is crowd. Correct answer. Quiz finished. Score.
कृपया किसी पाठ का चयन करें। कृपया किसी पाठ का चयन करें। व्याकरण अभ्यास में स्वागत है। कृपया स्तर चुनें। हमारी कम्युनिटी में आपका स्वागत है।
Awesome. You learned all today's words. Achieve. Meaning, to successfully complete something. Example, she worked hard to achieve her goals. Your learning badges. Current streak is 1 days. You have earned beginner. Next badge is rising learner at 3 days. Keep going. Beginner. Every journey starts with a single step. Your learning badges. Current streak is 1 days. You have earned beginner. Next badge is rising learner at 3 days. Keep going.